Hi, good evening. Welcome to the demo video of Sentinel ePos. In this video, I will demonstrate the basic features of Sentinel ePos software and how to configure the software. So when you first log in, you can use the default password, which is usually 1111 or 123456. Once you log in, you can see manager here. You will see a manager button. So obviously, if you press take away button, there's no categories or no products. So it's a blank software. I will demonstrate how to start from the scratch. So first thing we will do is to go to manager general in the general store information, and you can write your store name and address here. Leave the computer ID blank. If you have any logo for the receipt, you can upload the JPG or PNG image from here, but because the receipt printer only prints in black, so make sure your logo is in black color. So you can always click on add image and then upload your logo. It will come here as a black color logo as well. Once you fill in all the information, you need to go to printers. Make sure you give the printer name. So usually when you install a receipt printer, the receipt printer will appear here like POS 80 or Epson TM printer or Star Future Print printer. So choose the right printer here. At the moment, I don't have any printer installed, so I'll just do the Microsoft PDF printing. And then you can also define the number of receipt each order, so how many receipt you want for delivery, for eat-in, for collection, and for takeaway. uh, Once you configure these two tabs, store and printer, press the save button. It will save the settings. Now we will continue making the categories. So to make the categories, you need to go to category, press the plus sign, write the category name. So let's say the first category name is pizzas. If you have more than one printer, like you installing a main receipt printer and then one printer in a kitchen, then you need to configure if this category goes on a kitchen print. If it's a drink category and you don't want this category to print on a kitchen, you can disable the kitchen print. If you have more than one kitchen printer, then you can tick here and give the name of second kitchen printer. So maybe you want to send this pizza category to more than one sections in the kitchen. Uh, if you want category sort or receipt position, you can make the receipt position as well. So basically, in a restaurant environment, for example, there are main dishes, starters, drinks, and desserts. So if you want the software to automatically divide the order into four categories and bring all the starters on the top of the receipt, and then under the starter bring all the main dishes and then drinks and then finally dessert, you can do category 1 pizza, and then all the main dishes you can put in category 1, all the starters you can put in category 1, all the main dishes in category 2, all the drinks in category 3, and then desserts on category 4. So this is how you can do the category print as well. If the category has options, you can give the options name, like this is the pizza, you can go to option and you can give the option. For example, sizes, so you have more than one size of pizza, so 10-inch, 12-inch, and let's say 16-inch. So you can define the sizes here, and once you are done doing the category, just press save and close, and it will bring you back to this main page. If you adding multiple categories at a time, for example, if you're adding a second category named burgers, and this time you want to add another one, so instead of pressing save and close, just press the save button, and then you can continue doing categories. For example, side orders, and then fourth category you are making drinks. So this is how you can create your categories. So there's no limit how many categories you can add. Once you have created the categories, when you go on takeaway, you will see all the categories here. Now, once you made the categories, you can go again on the manager and you can start adding products. So this time you need to click on product, choose the category you want to add product, for example, pizza. Click on the plus sign to add product, write the product name. So let's say you are adding the first pizza, which is margarita. Again, give the default price. So let's say the 2-inch is 2.99, and then 12-inch is 3.99, 16-inch is 4.99, and press save and close. If you want to just add one product, if you want to continue, you can just press save, and then you can write the second product name, chicken pizza. Again, if you want to use the same price, you can just simply press save and continue. So for example, if special pizza is a little bit expensive, so you can change the price here. And press save. So this is how you add the product. So if we go back in the pizza section, you will see the buttons here. So if you press margarita 10-inch, it will charge 10-inch price. If we click on 16-inch, it will charge the 16-inch price. Later I will show you how you can make these button bigger or smaller, or you can install a picture on the button as well. So now going back to manager, let's say if you are adding any product which don't have the sizes. For example, in a drink section, if you want to add something, canned Pepsi, and the price is £1, then you give the price in default price. If you have different prices for eat-in, collection and delivery, you can give different prices. So default price is basically the takeaway price, then eat-in price is eat-in price, collection price is collection, delivery is delivery. But if you only give default price and leave all other prices blank, it will apply this £1 to all different order types. If you're charging VAT, you can give VAT in percentage here. So if you charge 20% VAT, you can do 20 here. And if you're using stock, you can mention the stock here as well. If your product has a barcode, like can of Pepsi has a barcode, you can click here and you can scan the Pepsi barcode. So it will be associated with this product name. And when taking Pepsi in order, you don't have to press the button. All you can do is scan the barcode and it will go into the cart. So if we go in drink, click on can of Pepsi, it will go straight to the cart. Now I'll show you how to change the button size and put the pictures on the button. So to change the button size and colors, you can go to manager. First, you need to unlock this feature. To unlock, you need to go to dashboard in the general section. Sorry, in the order management. In the order management, you can activate screen edit mode, press save. Once activated, go back to takeaway, and then you will see a slider here to increase or decrease the size of button. So let's say you have many categories and you need more space like this. You need 2 rows. You can expand this one and then you can increase the button size accordingly. Or if you want to make these button bigger, you can open this scroll and you can play around. So this is how you can change the button sizes for category and for the products as well. You can leave your category horizontal or you can make it vertical as well. So if you have many products and you think you don't like this layout like this, what you can do, you can reduce the size and then you can go back again to managers, and in the order management, in general order management, you will see screen layout. You can change it to vertical, press save, and then you might need to close the software and open again for the changes to apply. So once you log in, the category will come on the top. Again, it's up to you. You want to scroll down and up. So it's up to you if you want to keep the categories on the top or on the left hand side. Now I'll show you how you can add the pictures on these buttons. So adding pictures again very easy. You need JPG images. So I'll find some images. So let's say you want to add a picture on pizzas. Click on edit, click on style, add image, and then I'll copy some images first on this computer so we can copy the images. If you need the images, we have some images designed. You can request us and we can provide you these images. Otherwise, you can download your own images from internet and you can call us for the size. We will tell you exactly what size you require for category and for product pictures. So let's say if you want to put the picture on pizza. So this is the pizza picture on the category. Now I'll do on the burgers. So again, edit, style, add image, and this time we'll choose a burger picture. Save and close. Then side orders. Again, style, add image, side orders, and finally drink. So now if we go back and see in the takeaway, all the categories have the pictures now. To add a picture on a product, go to manager, products, click on the product you want to add picture, press edit, again go to style, add image, and this time I'll add a product image. So I don't have any pizza image, so what I'll do, I'll add the pictures in the drinks department. So in the drinks, can of Pepsi, edit, style, add image, and then Pepsi can, proceed, save and close. Now if we go in the drinks, the product has a picture on it. Also you can change the color of this button. So let's say if we add few products in burger category, we go to burger, we will do add fillet burger, price is 2.99, save. Now we will add zinger burger. While you adding the product, if you realize that the product has options and you forgot to add options while you making the category, you can always active options from here and write here. So quarter pounder and half pounder, and then you can always add options from here as well. 325 and 4.25. Save and close. So we have added these two products. If we go back and see in the burgers, this is the burger buttons. So now we will make it a little bit bigger. Again, to make it bigger, we need to first unlock the edit mode, which is now unlocked, and then we can go and take away, go to burgers and make the buttons bigger. Now I'll show you how you can change the pictures, and pictures I've already shown you, so I'll show you how to change the color. So again, go to products, go to burgers, click on any burger, press edit, go to style, choose the back button color. So let's say you want blue color, and then font color is by default black. If you want to change it to any other font color, you can change it, and then press proceed and press save and close. Now if we go back and see on burgers, this color is changed to blue. If you want to apply colors to all the buttons in the same category, for example, you want to change it to orange and you want to apply this color to all the products within this category, then you can press on apply all and then press proceed, save and close, and it will apply the black color to both of these buttons now. So this is how you can make the button smaller or larger and change the button color or install the pictures. Now I'll show you some other settings for the software. So starting from the order management, in the order management, this is the default wanted time for takeaway. So let's say on the receipt you want to show customer and chef that if a takeaway order comes, by default you make it ready in 5 minutes. For delivery, default times which you give over the phone to customer, let 55 minutes, collection 25 minutes. Finish screen, if you want to show finish screen in delivery, if you want to show finish screen in collection or eaten, you can active or disable it. If you disable it, then it will ask for the default payment method as well. So let's say if you're taking a takeaway order, finish, this is the finish screen, and it asks you how customer is paying. So let's say customer is paying £20 note by cash, but in delivery usually the order is not paid unless you take the payment over the phone by card. So if you only deal in cash, or if you don't take the payment over the phone, you can do delivery, default payment not paid, and press save. Now what will happen when you take a delivery order? So if I take a delivery order now, as soon as I press finish, it will close. It will not take you to the finish page and show you the what's the order type, like payment type, is it cash or card. Similarly, you can do same settings for collection and eaten as well. Start from takeaway. If you are only takeaway and you don't take telephone order or collection order or delivery order, you can always start from takeaway. If you choose this option, the software will always stay on this screen. So if you take an order and finish and do cash, it will come back to this screen rather than going back to the dashboard. Start from eaten. If you are just a restaurant and you always want the software to stay on the table management page where the table is, then you can always start from eaten as well. If you are using the tables, you can activate the table, and then if you want to record how many covers walk in the restaurant and how many people you serve, you can always activate ask for the number of people. Service charge is, for example, if you charge for eat in order 10%, then you can leave it in percentage. But if you charge a fixed amount, for example, you charge £5 every time, then you can do on fixed and charge a service charge. Similarly, you can do on delivery. For example, on delivery, if you charge every order £2, you can do service charge. This is a service charge. This is not a delivery charges. You can configure the delivery charges on a delivery section, which is separate. Receipt label on top of the receipt on takeaway order, what you want to write, is it takeaway or is it maybe you want to write walk-in customer. So you can change anything here and it will appear on top of the takeaway receipt. For eat-in order, maybe you want to write dine-in, you can do dine-in orders. And press save. It will rename it to dine-in, and on the top of the receipt it will show, instead of eat-in, it will show dine-in. So you can change the order type from here as well. Shift management, if you're running the restaurant or takeaway on a shift, like you run from morning to evening one shift and then from evening to night another shift, you can activate the shift and then you can run the end of the day report after every shift, so you know how much cash is in the draw at the end of every shift. Delivery, you can fix the delivery charges. So if you charge a fixed delivery charge, you can give a fixed delivery charge, for example £2.50. If you charge, you can do £2.50, and then every time you take a delivery order, for example PD80RL, it will automatically charge £2.50 regardless of the distance. It will charge £2.50 automatically. If you want to do by distance, you can do by distance, and then you can set the delivery charges. So you need to write the name. In the name you write delivery charges, which is a name, and then you can write from 0 to, for example, 2 mile, you charge, let's say 1.50, add to list, and then from 2.01 mile to 4 mile you charge, let's say 3.50, add to list. And then from 4.01 mile to 100 mile you charge, let's say £7. So whatever your charges are, you can add to the list. And then make sure you write the delivery charges every time before you add into the list. And once this is configured, the software will start charging for delivery automatically based on the miles. So if I write an address here, PD80RL, find address 1, proceed, it will charge 250 based on the mile. But if I type anything which is far, for example HD4 6DW, find 1, it's 9.3 miles, so it's charging 250. And if I write something which is, let's say, because there is no charge for 190, so let me first configure the charge. So set delivery charges 7.01 to, let's say, 300 miles. The charges is £7.50. Add. And then if you go back to delivery, see, it's charging based on the miles as well. Or you can do by postcode. You can tell the software that from HD1 we charge, for example, £1. For HD2 we charge, let's say, £2. So you can do based on the postcode as well. Dashboard, if you don't do, for example, eat-in, you can hide this button. If you don't do delivery, you can hide delivery button and press save, and then it will disappear from the dashboard. Also, if you want to change the color of these button, you can change it easily. So for example, you want to change the delivery button to pink color or any other color, you can choose your color and press save, and it will be changed as well. So you can change all of these buttons from the dashboard. Printer, you can give the printer name, you can give the number of receipt. Integration, if you want to integrate your payment sense card terminal, you can just enable, write the host name which will be provided by payment sense here, write the API key which will be provided by payment sense here, and then press load terminal. Once you press load terminal, you will see the available terminals here. So double click on the available terminal and it will come here. In the username you can write Sentinel and then press save, and it will start working. Now I'll show you how you can use the category toppings. So for example, if you are using the pizza and you want the topping screen to show automatically, you can go to Manager, Products, Add-ons. In the add-ons you can choose pizza because you are adding topping for pizza. Click on plus sign, write the topping name. So topping name is, let's say, chicken. Give the topping default price. So chicken, and the default price is 0.50. Save topping, save. Then you can do mushrooms, default price here, save. So this way you can add all your toppings. If your toppings are prices are also based on charges on the sizes, then you can add the sizes here as well. Now if you want to add a topping based on the prices, you can write the topping. Let's say the topping is turkey, and is based on the price, then you can activate the price. So your pizza sizes was 10-inch, 12-inch, and 16-inch. We can give the price here. So 10-inch topping is, let's say, 30 pence, 12-inch topping is 50 pence, and then 16-inch topping is 80 pence. So you can give the price based by size, or if it's a fixed price, you can do a fixed price as well. Now to automatically open this add-on screen, you need to go back to category in the pizza, edit the pizza screen, and then click auto add-on and click apply to all products, and it will apply, and press save and close. If we go to takeaway and click margarita, automatically it will show the topping and it will show the prices as well. If we take, for example, any topping like turkey, I've made with sizes, so it's showing 30 pence, but if I do margarita 16-inch for the turkey, it's showing 80 pence price because we have changed it to 80 pence. Now let's say you're making a pizza product with free toppings. So we add a pizza, for example, we go to products pack and we add, let's say, choose the pizza again, add, and now the pizza is pizza with 2 toppings. So, and the price is 360, or the price is 325 for 12-inch, 425 for 12, and 599 for 16-inch. And you want to give free topping, 2 free topping. You can do 2 topping here, free, and press save and close. So if I go back to the menu and I click on this pizza 12-inch, the first 2 topping will be free. It will not charge for the first 2 topping, and as soon as you press the third one, it will start charging the price. If you don't want topping screen to open automatically, you can go back to category. You can click on pizza category, edit. You can disable auto topping and apply to all products and press save and close. Now if we take a pizza product, the topping screen will not come automatically. You have to double click on the pizza and the topping page will come. Now in the burger category, if you want to make dressing and sauces option or extras option, you can always use the same add-on feature to add topping, dressing and add-ons. So to make topping, dressing and add-on in the burger section, go to add-on. First you can choose a type. So for example, there's a topping already here, dressing here. You can make another type, let's say extras. In the burger, for example, slice of cheese or hash brown. And then if people can do multiple selection, if you want to show this heading on the receipt, click yes, otherwise no to print on receipt, and press save. Now go back to add-on, choose the category burger. So let's say in the burger you want to first add the dressings. So you click dressing and you write dressing mayo, which is free. Dressing ketchup, again is free. Chili sauce is free. Lettuce, zero price because it's free. Onions, zero price is free. And then garlic mayo, again free. Now you want to add extras, so you click on extras and then you add cheese slice, which is 50 pence extra, so you can give the price here, 50 pence. Save. Hash brown, again is an extras and is £1 extra. Save. Extra fillet is 275 extra and is already an extra. Press save and close. Now you want this dressing screen in the burger to open automatically, so going back to categories, burger, edit, click on auto topping and apply to all product and press save and close. If you go to the burger now and take a burger order, the topping will open automatically if you charge, and it will give the heading like dressing and extras. So if you click on mayo ketchup is free. If you click on hash brown, it will charge for the hash brown. During the order, for example, you took one order and customer want to change something, so you can always double click on the product again, and if you want to delete this hash brown, you can click on hash brown and then click on this delete button. It will delete the hash brown and you can add something else instead, or you can leave it as it is. If customer is saying they want extra fillet or extra hash brown or extra slice of cheese, you can always click twice. It will do extra and it will charge twice. Or you can use these button. For example, they want 3 cheese slice, you can do 3 in quantity and it will charge for 3 cheese slice as well. This is how you add the add-on. If add-on button is too small for you, you can always go to manager, products, add-ons, choose the category, add-on, burgers, edit, and then you can make it medium or large. So if you want to make it large button, you can do large or medium, and you can apply, it will apply this size to all the buttons within the burger add-on sections. So if I go back in a burger now, fillet burger, the buttons are medium size now. Notes, there are some notes here which you can use during the order, or you can type your custom notes here. So for example, customer is saying pack separate. You can increase or decrease the quantity from this plus and minus size, or you can click on quantity to write the quantity here. If you want to add something, if you want to give discount on something, for example, you you're selling a drink for £1 and you want to give 10% discount, you can click on discount and you can do 10 and percent, it will give a 10% discount. If you want to give discount in amount, you can again click on discount, and you want to give 0.25 pence discount in amount, you can click on this dollar sign and it will give 25 pence discount. During the order, if you want to add something into the menu temporary which is not there, for example, customer is asking a can of drink with ice and you want to charge something extra, you can always click on add. You can write the product name here and you can give the price here and press done. It will be added to the cart. If you want to edit any product, you can click on product, click on edit, and you can change anything from here as well, price or description. If you want to delete product, click on the product, press delete, it will be deleted. To finish the order, press finish. If customer is paying you £10 note, press 10. If they're paying you cash, you can do cash. If they're paying credit card, you can do credit card. On the finish screen, if you want to add a service charge, you can always add a service charge from here, for example 5% from here as well. If you just want to print one receipt, you can activate this print. If you want to print in kitchen as well, then open the kitchen receipt as well. These settings will stay saved, so you don't have to do every time when you finish the order. It's only one time you need to do this setting and it will stay saved for a particular order type. So if you're doing it for takeaway, you can keep separate settings, print settings for takeaway, delivery, collection or eaten, and it will stay safe. Now I'll show you how you can use the restaurant related features. So if you're a restaurant and if you are taking money upfront before customer even take the food to the table, like McDonald's or KFC, then you can use it straight away. Click on dine in and just go to manager, order management, and make sure you disable the tables and press save. Now when you press dine in, you can straight away take the order and it will print on the receipt. It will tell that it's a dine-in order, so your staff know that order is going in a tray rather than in a bags, and you can give it to customer and then they can sit on any table to consume the food. But if you are running a restaurant style business where you take money later, then you need to go to manager and you need to activate tables, press save. Second thing you need to do is go to tables, go to location. If you have only one floor, press add and give the floor name, for example ground floor, or just do floor. You can give any name, press save. So the floor is created. Now go back to tables choose the location floor. If you have more than one floor, you can make ground floor, first floor, second floor as well, or inside, outside, or bar. It's up to you. Click on plus sign. Give the table names. For example, the first table is table 1. I'll copy it so I don't have to type it again. Save. Then again table 2. It will create the button on top of each other. You can drag and drop anywhere, or if you want it to arrange automatically, you can click on align and it will automatically arrange every time you add a table. Table 3, table 4, table 5. Save. So I'll just make 5 tables to demonstrate. Now what will happen when you go to dine in? It will ask you which table customer is sitting. So you can do table number 3. How many people sitting? You can do 2 people sitting, and then you can take the order. So obviously you're not taking money upfront. You can finish and you can do not paid, and it will be saved as an open table. So if you go, table 3 is red. Press on red. If you want to add some more food, you can add food. For example, customer wants some drinks. Again, not paid. Once they're ready for the bill, you can go on table 3, press print bill to print the bill. And if you want to finish the order, you can press on the amount. How customer is paying, is it paying credit card or cash? If they're paying credit card, you can do credit card and the table will be free again. If you don't want this finish screen to come every time, you can disable this finish screen as well. So let's say you always do not paid. So rather than doing not paid all the time, you can just go to order management screen in the general, and you can do finish screen, you can disable, and you can do default payment type not paid. So now the order will be always not paid in a eaten. So if we take a eaten order, table number 5, 2 people eating the food, and we press finish, the order will be finished straight away as a not paid order, and it will appear in a dine-in. Add discount is to add discount. Cancel order is to cancel order. Notification, if you want to send any notification to kitchens. For example, in the restaurant, you can create your own notification. So I'll show you how you can do the notification. So you can go into the tables in the notifications, and you can add notification for the kitchen. So send main dishes, one notification. Then we can do send extra plates, send spoons, send sauces. So this is the notification for the table for the kitchen. So if you have a printer installed in kitchen, you can go to dine in, you can click on table number 5, click on notification, and if you click on send main dishes on the kitchen printer, it will print a small receipt saying table number 5, please send main dishes, or table number 5, please send a spoon, table number 5 send sauces. So you can use this notification to communicate with the kitchen as well if you have a kitchen printer. Again, once the order is finished, you can do the order type. If customer have something more than in an order, for example, if we go to dine in and add some more food, so customer got one margarita pizza now, and then customer order one drink as well, finish, not paid, and then they want to finish the order and they want to pay, you can go to this payment. In the payment, you will see split order on the top. You can split the order. For example, 2 people paying for the bill. You can click on 2, proceed, and then you can define person number 1 is paying for pizza, person number 2 is paying for margarita and can of Pepsi, and then you can finish this order separately. So first person pay cash, second one paid by credit card. You can finish the order individually as well. Also, in takeaway, delivery, collection, or eat-in, you can do multiple payment method as well. So if the total is 824 and customer paid £3 by credit card and then 524 by cash, you can do cash as well. Order list shows all the previous order where you can go edit any order, reprint any order, cancel any order. If it's a delivery order, you can click on direction and you will see the direction in Google Map. You can send text messages to customer. You can issue refund on any order. So for example, if customer want to refund this special pizza, you can issue the refund, cash or credit card. You can refund the order as well. Now I'll show you how you can take a delivery order. So when the phone rings, the caller ID will show the telephone number here automatically. We support RTEC AD102 caller ID or IDEM 16 and CTI Comet USB caller ID. So if you're using any of these caller ID, when the phone rings, the telephone will come here automatically. You press the delivery, the number will come automatically here. You just type in the postcode, press find button, enter the door number. If there's not door number, door name, you can do text mode and you can write the door name as well. Press proceed, press save and take the order. During the order, if customer want to change the address, you can press this change button where you can change the address, or you can switch between multiple address. If customer have more than one address, you can switch the address as well. You can see the direction in a map as well. First time when you open the direction, you have to agree the agreement from Google, and then it will show all the directions, and then you can close to resume the order. Now I'll show you the other delivery related features. So you can make your driver. To make a driver, you need to go to manager. In the manager, you need to go to users and drivers. You can add your driver. For example, your first driver name is Ahmed. How much you paid, the mileage. If you don't want to use this feature, you can leave it blank. Is it on duty? Password, you can give them a password, 4-digit password. So I've created two drivers. Now, when you take a delivery order, it automatically goes to the order list. So we've taken two delivery orders today. So you can assign it to driver, press the assign delivery, click the order, and then assign it to Ahmed, for example. And this order, you are assigning it to John. Now, at the end of the day, you can go to driver payment and you will see how much John or Ahmed owe you. And then you can, because was a refund orders, that's why it's showing 0, and this one is showing 0 because this order is credit card order, so they don't owe you any money. But if I take a new order, finish, not paid, and then assign this order to John, it will show the total, and then you can collect the total, and once you collected the money, it will be all sorted. Now I'll show you how you can create your own user accounts. So go to manager, users. In the users, click on users. First you need to create the groups. So for example, you can create one admin group, one manager group, and one normal staff member group. And you can edit these group and you can tell what they can do. For example, can they add product? Can they edit order, edit product? And then discount, if they can discount, if they can open the cash draw, if they can see the end of the day sales, if they can send SMS, if they can open the order list. So I'm removing most of the rights except the open cash draw. Save. So now the user group can only open the cash draw and take the order. They can't do anything else. So if we go to user and create a new username, for example John, password we will do 4454, and assign them to user group and tick on is active because they are active. Press save, and once we log in with this new user, I forgot the password, so the password is 4454. Save. Once you edit this new user, you need to close the software for the changes to apply and then log in again. So 4454 login. Now with this user, if I click on order list, it's asking for password. If I click on manager, it's asking for password. I can only take the order, finish, cache, but I cannot edit the order because I can't go on the order list. Uh, Also, during the order, if I want to give the discount, it will ask for the password because this user is not authorized to give discount as well. So this is how you can restrict your user, your staff member, to only take the orders, and they can't go and see the sales and then see give discount or cancel any order. I'll log in again with the manager account. The final thing I want to show you is the reports. In the reports, you can see X report. X report is the total sale, end of the day sale. So if you press X report, it will just show you the sale. It will not reset it to 0 for the next day. You can see by order type as well. You can see the VAT detail if you have any product which has VAT enabled, and you can see cash, credit card, not paid orders, total payments, everything on the end of the day reports as well. If you press Z report, it will show you the sale and it will reset the sale to 0. So the only difference between X report and Z report is X report only display the sale in print. It does not reset it to 0. Z report will uh, effectively delete not deleting it, just reset everything for a fresh day, and it will run an end of the day query. So it will clear the sales for the day and end the business day. Custom report is if you want to see the sales by date figure. For example, you want to see from 1st December to 4th December, you can generate a custom report as well. Sales by category, you can see sales by category, how many pizzas you sold, how many burgers you sold. So you can see by pizzas, 10 pizzas sold, which is 97% of the sale, one drink sold, which is 3% of the sale. Sales by product, you can see individual products. So for example, in a pizza, how many margarita pizza you sold, 5, how many pizza with 2 toppings you sold, how many special pizza you sold, and you can again see by date and the percentage of the sale. Hourly sales show the hourly sales. Top selling categories show you the top selling category. Top selling product is top selling product, and underperforming product is the underperforming product. And then VAT collected is the VAT report, and then these are the stock reports. If you want to add your own notes, for example, when we went on this notes, this button, if you want to add another button here, you can go to manager, special instructions, add, and then you can add another button here, save, and it will appear here automatically. So this is a complete demo for Sentinel ePos software. I hope you understood everything. If you don't have a physical keyboard, you can open a keyboard from here as well on the screen, and then you can drag or move the keyboard. If you want to close it, you can press on this X sign and it will close the keyboard. If you don't understand anything and if you still need our help, all you need to do is give us the TeamViewer ID, which you can obtain by closing the software. To close the software, press the logout and this power button, and then you will see this TeamViewer on your computer. Double click on TeamViewer, send us your ID and password picture on WhatsApp, and then we can log into your computer to help you and to provide you the training. Thanks for watching, and speak to you shortly.